If your Apple Watch is stuck on the Apple logo and it just won't boot up, don't panic, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix this step by step, no tech experience needed. Make sure you stick around till the end because I will cover what to do if the basic fix doesn't work for you. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the fix, let's quickly understand why this happens, because it actually helps you prevent it in the future. Your Apple Watch can get stuck on the Apple logo for a few common reasons. A failed software update, a low battery mid-update, a software glitch or crash, storage issues, and corrupted system files. The good news, most of the time, this is a software problem, which means it's totally fixable at home. Alright, let's start with the easiest fix first, a forced restart. This works about 80% of the time and takes less than 30 seconds. Here's how to do it. Press and hold both the side button and the digital crown buttons at the same time. Keep holding the buttons for at least 10 seconds. When you see the Apple logo disappear and then reappear, you can let go of the buttons. Your watch should now boot up normally. That's it. If your watch is back on and working, you're good to go. If that didn't work, don't worry. Let's move to the fix number 2. Sometimes the issue is simpler than you think. Your Apple Watch might just be critically low on battery. When that happens, it gets stuck on the logo because it doesn't have enough power to complete the boot process. Here's what you need to do. Place your Apple Watch on its magnetic charger. Wait at least 30 to 60 minutes before trying to power it on. Once it has some charge, try to force restart it like we showed you in the fix number 1. If the battery was the issue, it should boot up just fine after charging. Still stuck? Let's try restoring or updating the software through your iPhone. This is for cases where the watchOS update got corrupted and didn't install properly. Here's what you should do. Make sure your iPhone is nearby and connected to Wi-Fi. On your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap General, and then tap on Software Update. If there's an update available, download and install it. This can sometimes override the corrupted files and fix the boot issue. If a software update doesn't appear or doesn't help, you may need to unpair and restore your Apple Watch. In the Watch app, go to My Watch tab, then tap on the All Watches button from the top. On the next page, tap on the iInfo button next to your watch's name. Select Unpair Apple Watch. Confirm by entering your Apple ID password. Once unpaired, set it up again as a new watch or restore from a backup. The unpairing process automatically creates a backup of your watch data on your iPhone, so you won't lose your activity rings, settings or apps. If none of the above fixes work, there's a chance the issue is hardware related, like a damaged component or a deep system failure that needs professional attention. Visit Apple's support website. Use the express replacement service if your watch is under warranty. Book a Genius Bar appointment at your nearest Apple store. And if you're running out of warranty, Apple still offers out-of-warranty repair options at a flat fee. Don't try to open the watch yourself. Apple Watch is one of the most tightly sealed devices Apple makes, and you could cause more damage. Here are a few quick tips to make sure this never happens again. Always charge your Apple Watch before updating. Keep your watch plugged in during updates. Keep watchOS up to date. Restart your watch periodically and don't interrupt updates. And that's everything you need to fix an Apple Watch stuck on the Apple logo. Let me know in the comments which fix worked for you. I read every single one of them. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button so you don't miss future tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.